welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is having an awesome day. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I think the weather is finally starting to settle into that hot, humid Virginia summer weather that I know oh so well. And the start of this summer is shaping up to be pretty busy. As you guys know, I'm helping my best friend slash roommate with his cross-country move in the next few weeks. So things are pretty crazy. So in the spirit of saving time, if you guys are also in need of super quick wash days as well, I'm gonna be talking about a brand and doing a quick wash day with one of my favorite no nonsense, take your wash day from taking like this much of your day to maybe this much of your day type of brands, and that is Curl Mix. I've done a couple of videos using Curl Mix for my wash days in the past, but since we have some new people here, hello and welcome again. I wanted to highlight this wash day again because if you guys know me, if you guys have been with me, you guys know that with as naturally tangled slash borderline matted that my hair is, my wash days are generally a wash day, like a whole chunk of day just gone. So it is so nice that I have an easy, simple, predictable wash day that gives me gorgeous results. So that's where the 4-step wash and go system from Curl Mix comes in. This is my favorite of the versions that I've tried. This is the fragrance-free version that has sweet almond oil as the highlighted ingredient. And another reason that I like to boomerang back to this wash day from Curl Mix is because it is a fragrance-free option from start to finish. And I know that a lot of people struggle with finding great fragrance-free options that they can use through each step of their wash day. So this is what I can rely on to give me a gorgeous, quick wash and go. So let's jump into it. So what lies within this bun, y'all? This is I think 9-day twist out. It's moisturized but very, very, very tangled. So wash day is needed ASAP. Let's jump into the shower and get started with step 1 in the wash and go kit, which is all about cleansing. So for this rapid fire wash day video, I'm going to be giving you like the highlight reel of each of these products in my routine. So first up is step 1 from the wash and go kit, the clarifying shampoo. And this is not your typical clarifying shampoo. It's not going to just strip every semblance of life from your hair. In addition to needing a lot of product from my hair, I also tend to use heavier products, especially when it comes to styling. So I definitely need something that's going to remove that buildup. But because I'm team super dry, super tangled hair, clarifying can send me in the wrong direction really quick. The through line for all 4 of these products is slip, and that includes the shampoo. So it grabs hold onto my strands really well, help to take care of that buildup while not drying out my hair, which is crucial. It has a really nice, soft, gentle lather, really get in that scalp area well. Even straight from shampooing, like the definition is crazy with this stuff. Just step 1 is setting me up for success right now, seriously. And this is before I've even moved on to conditioning. This is just straight after rinsing out the shampoo. So once the shampoo is all rinsed out, we're gonna jump right into step 2, which is the hydrating conditioner with Ultra Slip. And you guys, this is one that I could totally have a gallon in. It's got slippery elm in there, grapeseed oil, glycerin, emollient, conditioning, shine enhancing. This stuff is the perfect consistency for me. It's not stiff, it's not thick at all. It is just so creamy, perfect to move through any tangles that I may have missed while not sacrificing anything in the way of moisture. Sinks right into my hair. I like to go in with my claw hand. Don't want to miss anything. You can almost hear the slip. Clean, shiny, and feels really, really soft after that conditioner. Step 3, the Pure Avocado Moisturizer. This is going to be my base, but for my styler, my moisturizer, my leave-in. Speaking of styling, our final step is going to be all about step 4, which is the Pure Flaxseed Gel. I get some of the most defined, shiny, just ridiculously awesome wash and goes from this styler. So I'm almost done. I've got this front section here. As always, I applied a little bit of my moisturizer before I get going on all the sections so it can soak in a little bit. So this section already has the benefit of the avocado moisturizer hanging out on it. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit more. This last step, step number 4, I could seriously use this to just go in and thoroughly detangle my hair. So slippery. But whereas something like this would normally take me like an hour, I think if I had to guess, maybe around 40 minutes, 35 minutes maybe. They just mesh nicely. So I'm able to make quicker work of this whole styling session right now. So things are maybe, I would say about 70% dry. I'm getting a nice little preview of what this wash and go is gonna look like. And since the moisturizer and the flaxseed gel are not heavy products, helping my hair to dry a lot quicker than it normally would. And my hair feels so soft, so moisturized, but my curls are defined, they are good to go. Roots are dry, roots are happy, roots are shiny as I don't know what. Oh, like I said earlier, these four just shine left and right. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one.